Hi, I'm Julianne, and I just spent a lot of money on this 1973 camper. Not a lot for most people, but a lot for me. It is partially refinished. The guy I bought it from was redoing it with his girlfriend, and they were no longer together, so I got a pretty good deal on it. He resealed the roof, was working on the electrician, redid all the plumbing, upgraded the floors, but it's not quite to my style and it's not super practical for my life. So I'm going to be redoing it and painting it a ton of cute colors. The biggest thing is there is exposed fiberglass insulation in the bathroom right now. So that is my first step, is kind of redoing those walls. I really want to redo all of the cabinets and closets just because it is from the 1970s and it's a little musty in there. It also needs new trim. I would love to paint everything just beautiful colors and extend the bed out so that it is fully queen size bed all the time and take out the dinette, which I know is a risky move. So far, I've just painted the door. The first thing I did when I got it is go to Home Depot and I bought a new lock, and then I bought paint samples. So the lock is just like kind of a standard thing. It's supposed to be super easy installation. I bought this little toolkit for $20 to help me install it, but I cannot for the life of me drill through the aluminum trim on the door. So I have no idea how I'm actually going to install it. There is a hole in the door for it. But I just wanted an extra deadbolt for security. And so far it's been a month and no one's broken into it. Fingers crossed. But if you know how to drill through aluminum siding, help a girl out. So we started painting. This is my roommate Lauren helping me out, and just kind of cleaning everything. It's really musty. The guy that was redoing it didn't quite go into the detail that I'm going to do. Like, he painted the outside of the cabinets, but he did nothing to the inside. So any of the cabinets I keep besides painting them a new color on the outside, we're thinking purple. I will also be refinishing the inside with like contact paper, because I honestly want to pull them off and just get all new cabinets so I don't have to deal with it, but I cannot afford that. So this cheaper option, refinish it, cover up the must, and then maybe one day in the future. I'll also be taking off this wooden backsplash. He has this like wood that he put everywhere, and it's very rustic, but it also gives you splinters when you touch it. So not super ideal. And I'm just going to probably go with like a stick and peel tile instead. I don't think it's the worst. I'm going to keep the beams on the ceiling probably. Even though I'm definitely a lighter wood fan. I'm not a huge fan of dark wood. But it just literally gives you splinters. And then I'll also be replacing the sink and the countertops. If I get to replace any cabinets, if I can find free cabinets on the side of the road or Facebook Marketplace, I will be replacing the cabinet for the sink and next to it, because those drawers are really small and impractical. They're really dirty, and the sink is very shallow and not super usable. So I'd love to replace that. But all in all, I'm going to try to keep it as cheap as possible. Like, really, I do not want to spend any money because I do not have money to spend. I've already gotten $100 worth of parking tickets because the guy that sold it to me did not redo the registration, and I keep on getting fined for it. But we're going to take care of that tomorrow, because I can't afford any more parking tickets and I don't know how I'm going to pay for these. But yeah, this is Clementine. I think I'm going to choose new colors for the outside. I started off with this kind of like persimmon color, but I think it's a little dark. So we will see. I will be redoing her for probably the next few months, just whenever I have the time and money.
Now it's a
video.
video.
I'm so excited to take you guys along with me.